Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You plug the Xbox controller into your PC or pair it via Bluetooth/Xbox wireless adapter now. This is the first actionable step because Genshin reads input only after Windows recognizes the device. Once done, open Xbox accessories to confirm firmware and button mapping. Make sure Windows shows a connected controller in devices. Then close Genshin or Steam to avoid input locks. This avoids conflicts and prepares the game for the next setup stage. You open Steam Big Picture or Controller Settings. Enable Xbox configuration support so Steam can translate controller input into keyboard/mouse actions for Genshin. Once enabled, add Genshin as a non-Steam game if you run the launcher separately. Launch through Steam to apply mappings. Next, use Steam's controller test to calibrate dead zones and stick sensitivity so movement feels natural. Make adjustments now because fine-tuning here prevents drifting and misregistered quick actions later in game. You create or load a controller layout mapping movement, camera, attack, and skill inputs to the Xbox buttons. This step makes the difference between playable and awkward controls. Once mapped, launch Genshin through Steam so the layout is active, then test movement, aiming, and menus to confirm responsiveness. If something goes wrong, restart Steam and reconnect the controller. Also disable conflicting overlays. That troubleshooting tip resolves most detection and mapping problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.